What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to go through and order some seat covers for my 2007 GMC Yukon, because at this point the truck is 18 years old and the leather seats have seen better days. I'd rather just cover the entire interior and give it a fresh new look for probably a little bit more than that. So the first thing you want to do before you order your EKR seats is that you want to find one of my videos, and by simply typing in Darius Bills, you can just type in EKR. Boom, here we are right here. So what you want to do is, in all of my videos, in the video description, I will have a link, and that link should automatically apply my discount code. So that's what you want to do. Now, for some of the cars, you can find your stuff like kind of readily available, but in the case of my 2007 GMC Yukon, they have to be custom ordered, and they did change the ordering process, which is going to be right here. And you can fully customize your seat covers any way that you want it, with any colors, style, two different types of leather, and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get that started now. We're going to click the Customize Now button. And like I said, my truck is a 2007 GMC Yukon. Scroll down to GMC Yukon, and I have an SLT. So if you have a SUV with a third row seat, it's going to give you a couple of options, because the seats and the seat configuration varies a little bit different from model to model. The 232 is going to be the bucket seats in the front, the bench seat, and then the two third row seats. So the 222 is going to be bucket seats front, what they call bucket seats or captain chairs on the second row, and then the two third row seats. Now, the difference between the SLT seats and SLE seats, I don't know. I figured they would be the same, and same for the Denali. I'm not sure, but just to be on the safe side, I have the SLT 232 configurations, where I have the bench seat for the second row and not the captain chairs. All right, and then we're going to go to Customize. All right, so first we start off with the material and the primary color. With the material, let's see what options we have. What is this? Please get out of here. All right, so you have two options. You have the solvent leather or the Napa leather. Since I'm doing this, might as well go all out, and then we're going to do the Napa leather. The Napa leather is going to be the nicer leather. And then primary color, I think I'm going to choose black for the primary color, just to keep it simple, but you have a lot of options. You have black. If you roll up here, it'll tell you the color. So red. So this is going to be the same color red that's in my Mazda 6. Let's see. If you want to go hot boy, this has light blue. That looks more teal than light blue, but that's why the name is important. Lake green, which might be like a seafoam green. Bright red. What kind of green is that? Military green. Is that like a pink? Oh, light purple. And also your monitor and your settings on your monitor might show a little different as well, and pink. So for the primary color, I'm going to go black. For the accent, or you can choose your accent style. So you can do it just in the middle, top to bottom, and the side bolsters. I think I'm just going to do just a little inserts right there. And my Yukon is, I think it's called Silver Birch Metallic. So it's kind of gray. That says blue purple. Blue brick. What is blue brick? But I do want to go with some sort of silver or gray that kind of matches my exterior. Light gray looks a little old. Light purple, light blue. So maybe I will go with the blue gray. I don't know how well that's gonna match my truck, but let's roll with it. What colors do this? Blue brick. Do I want to go with blue brick or blue gray? That's blue purple. Blue brick or blue gray? Blue brick or blue gray? We're going blue brick. And then joint. Oh, I can pick my stitching. Okay, so for my stitching, is this teal? That looks teal. I want to do teal. I'm going to take, it's either teal or sky blue. I am not sure. I want a little pop of color without, man, that's a lot of options. I hate when I have so many different options. I don't want to do the piping, just the stitching. Oh no, I don't want that. Okay, yeah, the piping is a little too much. Hopefully that is teal, because I'm not sure. Let's roll with it. We only live once. Let me see. Decoration. You can do core, perforation. Do I want the entire thing perforated, or just the core where the accent color is? Choices, choices, choices. I think I'm going to do just the core. Perforated leather. Oh, I can do DIY embroidery? Oh, yes. So, of course, I'm going to get, can I choose? If I can choose the embroidery in here, I'm definitely going to get my logo embroidered in the headrest to match the stitching 100%. All right. So, is that it? So you have a lot of options. You can choose the main color, the accent color. You can choose stitching color, piping color, and then you can choose if you want just the accent perforated or the whole thing in the middle from top to bottom. I really hope that's teal. But if it's sky blue, hey, go heels. So, oh, and you also can do, oh, so I can get it embroidered in the headrest or in the back of the seat. I'm going headrest. Going headrest. Let's go headrest. All right. So, okay, so this breaks down the pricing. So the front row is $229 right now. The second row is $229. Third row is $229. So 2, 4, 6, 700 some odd dollars, which is not bad considering that upholstery shop quoted me $400 to just replace the butt section of my driver's side seat. So not that bad of a deal. All right, and nope, I do not need further help. What I order is what I order, and hopefully that is teal, or even if sky blue, still be fine. All right, so it comes to $687.97, which, like I said, $300 more than just getting just the bottom seat required, just getting the bottom seat replaced. And y'all see how good these look in my car. All right, so I'm going to get these ordered and I will be right back. And I do see up here that it says that, you know, you are shopping with Darius Green. That is me. But just to make sure that it is applying the discount code, you can always go back to the video. I try to have the discount code in the description so that you can copy and paste it and just verify that you are getting the best deal possible. So now let me go check out and I'll be back.